The Greenworks 2000 Max PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool perfect for various home cleaning tasks. This model boasts 2000 PSI and a flow rate of 1.1 GPM, providing ample power to tackle everything from patio furniture and grills to walkways and vehicles. It's ideally suited for medium-duty projects around the house, making quick work of cleaning tasks that used to take hours. The included surface cleaner attachment is a game changer, broadening the pressure washer's versatility significantly. With an 11-inch cleaning width, the surface cleaner makes cleaning driveways, sidewalks, patios, and decks a breeze. It's compatible with most electric pressure washers up to 2000 PSI and connects easily with a standard 1/4-inch quick connect fitting. One of the standout features of this Greenworks model is its adherence to PWMA standards. This means the pressure and flow rate ratings are accurate and reliable, ensuring you get the performance you expect. The 20-foot hose provides ample reach, reducing the need to constantly reposition the unit. The electric design eliminates the need for gas and oil, making it a more environmentally friendly option. It's also significantly quieter than gas-powered models, making it ideal for use in residential areas. While the 2000 PSI is suitable for many tasks, it might struggle with heavily ingrained dirt or grime. For those tougher jobs, a higher PSI model might be necessary. However, for general household cleaning, this Greenworks pressure washer offers excellent value and performance. The combination of power, convenience, and the included surface cleaner makes it a great choice for anyone looking to simplify their outdoor cleaning routine. The ease of use and compact design makes storage a breeze too. Overall, the Greenworks 2000 PSI electric pressure washer is a solid and reliable option for homeowners looking for an effective and versatile cleaning solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.